Okay, so that's on now. Oh my goodness, these students, Hamad. Instead of you to look for maths, you're looking for lifestyle. They're not serious. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Hmm. Hmm. Where am I supposed to be now? Here. Okay, these students have talked so much to me and got me confused. Okay, share screen. Oh, goodness me. Share. Right. So we were looking at how to find, how to complete the square, okay? And I'm just going to remind us what we were doing yesterday, yeah? So if we have something like, I think I gave you some to try out for me. Okay, remember the formula? Remember the formula? If you have x squared plus bx, yeah? Then to complete the square, you have to do x plus b over 2 all squared. Who is that? Somebody tried to come in. Abdul Rahman. And minus b over 2 all squared, yeah? So that's the formula that we use for completing the square. And yesterday we were given the center, we were given the center and the radius and asked to write the equation, and we were able to do that. Yeah. So you have to remember this formula for completing the square, because today we're going to be finding the center and the radius, okay? We're not going to be finding the equation. We will be given the equation and we will be asked to find the center and the radius. Let me mark you in, Reem. Sorry, I have to take it out of that because otherwise it's going to come on YouTube. Okay. So the first thing that you want to do is rewrite this equation, putting all the x terms together and all the y terms together, yeah? So we would have x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 4y, yeah, is equal to 11. Let me make my pen smaller. Now you need to split that up and do completing the square for this one and do it for this one, okay? And if we use this method that we did yesterday, then we would have for this one, we would have x, what is b over 2? Minus 2 over 2 is 1, minus 1 squared, minus 2 over 2 squared is 1 squared, yeah? X minus 1 squared minus 1. And then we come to this side plus y minus 4 over 2. 4 over 2 is 2 squared minus 4 over 2 squared. 4 over 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Yeah, minus 4 is equal to 11. Yeah, are we happy with this line? If you're happy with that line, say yes in the chat. Quickly now.
I'm not happy.
Pardon?
I am not happy.
You're not happy?
Yes.
Were you there yesterday?
No, I was sleeping.
Okay, so sorry. Yeah, cheer yourself up, okay? Find a way to make yourself happy.
Okay, no.
Okay, so we got this now. Now we need to collect all the number terms to one end. We need to collect all the number terms to one side and all the square terms to one side. So x minus 1 squared plus y minus 2. Oh, is it y minus or plus? I think this is plus here. Y plus 2 squared, yeah, minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 11. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So we come down here, x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to 11 plus 5. Yeah. I'm going to keep writing the same thing now 100 times because I'm trying to explain it to you guys. It's equal to 16. So that is it now in the form of the equation of a circle, and we can now easily get the radius and the center of the circle. Now here, okay, here, from these two here, we will get that the center is, remember we always change this when we were starting yesterday's one, we were changing this one. So now it will become positive 1 and this will become negative 2. And we had r squared here. So this would become square root of r, which is equal to 4. Yeah. So that's how we do it. So write that down. Write down my example. I saw Ashanri just now. There's he. Oh, Ali. Okay. So that's how we do it, guys. Any questions? Would you like me to leave mine on the board, or do you want to see how my maths did their own? Ali, let me mark you in. Attending. Okay. How are you? I've marked you in, okay? Let's see what my math is doing. Okay, so we put the x terms together. We complete the square, which is what we were doing yesterday. For this side and this side, we collect all the number terms to one side and the x squared terms to the other side. And then we have it, the center is 1 comma negative 2 from this one and this one. And the radius is 4 from the square root of this one. Okay? So that's how we do it. I'm going to rub this one off now. I hope you've started working on your assessments because you don't want to be sleeping on anything. You want to make sure that you're on top of everything, okay? Do them as quickly as you get the chance to do them. Don't leave it to the last minute. Okay, let's have a look at some questions. Right, have a go at question. What's there? Oh, x squared. Right, I think I wrote something there that is not going off. All right. Have a go at question 1 for me. Let's see whether you guys can do it. If you can do it, then I'm going to get you to do the rest of them. Miserable. Yes, yes. All done? I'm looking for my phone. Can't find it. Can I see?
Miss, can you do the first one?
Okay. Oh. Okay. Ali, no problem. I marked you in already, okay? The first one, should we do the first one together? So I'll write it down so that I can do it on my whiteboard for you guys, okay? Sorry, I've been looking for my phone. I don't know where it is. And it's stressing me out now. Okay, somebody has finished. Abdul Rahman or Shamri? Okay, we'll see now. We'll see what your answer is. So it's x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 0. Yeah. So let's make a start. Here's my whiteboard. New share. Whiteboard. Share.
شيل الإكس إكس أربعة تربيع حلو. بعدين نشيل زايد تمام ماينس 5 تربيع يساوي
Collect the x terms first. So we have x squared minus 8x,
25
okay, plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 0. So Ashamri, what should I do next? You've done it. Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman Ashamri.
Yes, teacher.
What should I do next?
I don't know the way, teacher.
Well, you put answers in. Okay, so we complete the squares for this one and this one, yeah? So remember to complete the square, our formula was x plus b over 2 squared minus b over 2 all squared. Okay,
yeah,
so
it's x minus 4
x minus 4
Squared.
squared
plus 16
plus 16. Yeah.
Plus y minus 5 squared plus 25.
Is there nothing outside here?
Yeah, it's plus 25 equal minus 25.
Oh,
It's gonna be x minus 4 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 16. Yeah, equals 16.
you are wrong. Minus 16.
Yeah, 16.
Who used to tell me that? Teacher, you are wrong. Oh, it's wrong. Oh, what's that boy's name again now? Crazy boy. That's a crazy boy. Right.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
Why did we put negative 25?
I want to do that now. That's why I'm taking my time, because I want to check why that is happening, what's happening there, because I haven't actually done it. So it's, you have 10 there, so that's x plus 10 over 2 squared. Oh, plus negative 10 over 2 squared. Minus negative 10 over 2 squared, yeah? So that we see it. This is going to be x minus 5 squared. This is minus 10 over 2 is minus 5 squared is minus 25. Yeah. So do you see why now? Yeah?
No.
You don't? Okay, you understand this part. Right, let me write it gently so that you're not, you don't get it mixed up. Let me write it slowly. This is the one we are trying to write. Y minus 5, y squared minus 10y. Okay. And in our formula, we have x plus b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared. So we go here, y plus, yeah, negative 10 over 2 squared minus negative 10 over 2 squared, yeah? Now, negative 10 over 2 is negative 5, so that's going to cancel this plus here. So we have y minus 5 squared minus negative 10 over 2 is what? Negative 5 squared. Negative 5 squared is 25. Yeah? So you have y minus 5 squared minus 25. Yeah, so you're the one, yeah, you got me messed up when you put, yeah, it's minus 25 here. Hang on a minute. Let's go back to 0 so that we don't get confused, okay? So this was plus 25 is equal to 0. I know you've done it and you got your answer right. So we have x, and this should have been y squared minus 25. Yeah, plus this 25 is equal to 0. And those two guys will cancel themselves out. That's why you had 16 and I was doing it because I wrote the wrong thing there. X minus 4 squared plus y minus 5 squared plus 16 is equal to 0. Then you will have x minus 4 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to negative 16. I'm still worried about that. So, and what did we get? 4, 5, and r equals, this is where the problem is. So I'll check our answers now and see, yeah? R equals 4. We'll see. I'm not sure, but we'll see whether we got it mixed up. Is it 4, 5? And 4 here. This is 5, not 6. Let's see. Stop share. Share screen. Yeah, okay. But I'm still having a look at our calculation of that thing there. I think something is still messed up on the whiteboard. Yeah. So the main problem we have is with completing the squares and rearranging, okay? You know what to do now with completing the square. Just apply the formula and rearrange it correctly, yeah? So have a go at question 2 while I still look through that question 1 to see whether we've done it, like following all the steps. What am I sharing now? Share screen. Am I sharing the right screen? Yeah, okay. Okay, I'll do it alongside you guys so that I'm sure what you're answering is correct.
Teacher, I finished.
Okay, put your answer in the put your answer in the box for me. Today, this is your topic. You're the one that is really enjoying this topic. Right, let's see. X squared plus y squared. Okay, we'll see now. One more person to finish. Let's see your answer. I'll check now. Come on. Okay, see. I'll check for you. Okay, 3 is there and 6 is there. So check this one, check this one, check this one, the sign. Yeah, check your sign on that one. All right. Okay, guys, try and see if you can get that answer. Try and see if you can get that answer. Or then you can move to number 3, all right?
Why is -1?
What did you get in your thing? Let me show you what I
I got +1.
Me too.
Okay, let's do it on the whiteboard. Share.
Okay, I get it now.
Ah, you've seen your problem. This place is plus.
Yeah, because it's too
So
negative.
now you have to change it here.
Yeah.
Okay. Rim, is that the same thing with you, or do you want me to work it out?
Can you do it?
Okay.
Can we see 3 before?
Okay, I'll show you 3 now. You can write it down or take a screenshot.
Okay.
Okay. You share. Whiteboard. Share. Okay, so we had to do, what was the equation again? I don't know what was. Let's see. Okay, we had yeah, x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 6y minus 26 is equal to 0. Yeah, so we collected the x terms. We have x squared plus 2x, and then we collected the y terms. We have plus y squared minus 6y minus 26 is equal to 0. Yeah, then we had to do completing the square for this side and this side. Yeah, so then we would have if you complete the square for this side, you have for x squared plus 2x, you would have x plus 2 over 2 squared minus 2 over 2 squared. Yeah, and that is x plus 1 squared minus 1. Okay, so I'm just going to write that down here. X plus 1 squared minus 1. And let's have a look at y now. So you have y squared minus 6y, and you want to put that in y plus negative 6 over 2 minus negative 6 over 2 squared. And that would be y minus 3 squared. This is squared here. Minus 3 squared is 9, minus 9, okay? So we put that in here. Plus y minus 3 squared minus 9 minus 26 is equal to 0. Okay, and now we can take all the number terms to the other side and collect all the x squared terms. Okay, so we then have x plus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 26 plus 9 plus 1. Yeah, x plus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 36. When you get to this point, it's finished. You just have to write it now. The center is negative 1, comma 3, positive 3, okay? And the radius is the square root of 36, which is equal to 6. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Let's have a look at the next one. Are you still writing? Can I come off it now?
Yes, I took a screenshot.
Okay. What did you get today, Bimati? 1,0 is equal to 8.7. Okay, we'll see now. Okay. It's not even letting me write 8.7.
Because it's gonna be 76 and the square root of the 76.
So we'll check it, but I just rounded it up to 9 and it marked it correct. So I don't know what you did now. So I don't know. I'll check it now, okay? I haven't done it yet. So let me do it. You can be doing the next one and I'll come to that one. Okay.
Okay.
You're ahead of all of us. Ashamri. Oh, you got 81. Ashamri, I like your method. So you got 81 on the other side. So yours must be correct then. Perfect. Okay, so we'll have a look now. See. Let me take a screenshot so that I can have it in front of me when I'm working. I see yours. I'm behaving like you people now. Screenshotting everything that is on the computer. Okay. My eyes are so much better, guys. I don't feel all the pains anymore. I think there was a light in front of my computer that I was using that was training my eyes. So I'm so much better now. Yeah, what question 3 is a little bit tricky, but it's doable. Yeah. Okay, guys. Who has finished? Who else has finished?
I did question 4.
Why did you abandon question 3? Well done. We'll see now. We'll see what question 4 gives. -4, -4. and the radius is 10. Let's put that in. This is 10. Oh, it's not letting me. That means it's a problem. Let's see this one. Is it -4 and -6? It's not letting me. Wow, guys.
The radius is 1.
I don't know. I haven't done it. You guys said 10 and I put 1 in there and it marked it correct. I'll check that now, okay? So is there anybody, does anybody need explanation on question 3?
No,
Yeah.
I need explanation on
Question
4.
4. I haven't done question 4. I was doing question 3. And then both of you got 10 for the radius. Okay. Maybe we'll do it together. Let's do it together. So here, you have, if we collect the extents, you have x squared plus 8x, and then you have plus y squared plus 12y. I'm going to push this one to the other side, minus 51 equals minus 51. Unless,
It's x plus 4,
yeah,
x plus 4 squared minus 16
minus 16, yeah,
plus
plus
plus 6 squared
6,
minus 36 equal
negative 51, yeah? Okay, so then we have we have x plus 4 squared plus y plus 6 squared equals negative 51 plus 16 plus 36. You guys are messed up.
equal 1.
You guys are completely messed up, okay? That's why you're getting your answers wrong. And this would be x plus 4 squared plus y plus 6 squared is equal to 1. And square root of 1 is 1, okay? So radius, so center equals negative 4 comma negative 6. Radius equals 1. Okay, guys. Are you happy with question 3? Should I move
I'm
on?
not happy with the question 4.
You're sad.
Why is it negative 16 and negative 36?
It's from your completing the square, from the formula of completing the square. Yeah? So your formula
I did
is
8 over 2 and then power squared, I mean.
you're not following the formula. Write the formula out and it will help you. Put it in
Okay,
front.
there is a negative.
It's
Hmm?
minus b over 2 squared. Yeah? So what are you
I forgot to put the negative.
Aha.
Yes.
Always have the formula in front of you. Yeah, and that will be helpful. Okay. Let me see if they will change the questions. So we can do another set because I haven't heard from some people in this class and I want to hear from them. Some people in this class I haven't heard from.
We are focusing, teacher.
No.
They are sleeping.
Yes, now you said the truth. They are.
No,
And we'll see on the exam day. Yeah, it has changed the questions. So these are different questions. So we can do question 1 now. Let's start. I don't want to teach you lots of new topics and then on the exam day, you are crying when you don't even understand one.
can you put the formula?
Should I put the formula?
Yes,
So the formula was helping you.
I need to focus.
You need to focus. Okay, I'll help you focus. So the formula for the completing the square is x plus b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared. This is for the completing the square, okay? Okay,
Thank you, teacher.
that's okay. Let me get myself water. I can put this here. Let's see, question. Oh, lots of answers. Mm. Okay, we'll see now. Okay, we'll have a look now. Mhm. So the first one was we have x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 10y is equal to negative 25. Let's put that away for now, so we don't find it confusing. Okay, doing question 1 now. Yeah, so for this one, we would have x minus 2 squared minus -4. Is that -4? Yeah. X minus 2 squared -4. Right, for y squared, for the other one, we have y minus 5 squared. Negative 10 over 2 is 5. Negative 5 squared is 25. Okay, minus 25. So we would have y plus y minus 5 squared plus 25, yeah, is equal to negative 25. So then we'll have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared is it minus 54 is equal to negative 25 minus 25 plus 4. Yep. Minus 50 plus 4 is what? Abdullah allowed. Let me check. Oh. There was an error. Let's have a look. It's already marked you absent, but let me put you back into the present, into the good books. So those marked absent. Ashamri, are you there? Abdulrahman Ashamri, are you there? No.
Yes, Miss Samir.
Were you there when I was doing the register? No. So that's why it marks you absent. Okay, I've put you in present, okay? Right. Yeah, those of you who have done question 1, what did you get for your radius?
2.252.
Let me put that in. Let me see. What was your? Let me check your answers. Chart 2 and 5. Am I making a mistake somewhere? Yeah, this should be minus 25. Yeah. It's so fiddly. If you just make one little mistake, you get it wrong. Yeah. And then this should be plus 25. Then you should have 4 here. Just 4 left. X minus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to 4. My goodness. I was just looking for it everywhere. So yeah, you're right. You guys are right. You have 2 here, and you have 5 here, and you have 2 here. Yes, we've done it. Abdulrahman, you're just putting your answer in after my answer. And where did you get that face? That face that you used for the chat? Is it part of your phone or your computer features? Okay.
Teacher,
Yes. Three. Okay. So what about question 2 then? Let me see what people are getting. Let's see. 3 and -2, and R is 8. 3, -2. Well done. You guys are super good on this. Somebody needs to check their answer then for number 3. For number 2. Okay. Number 3. What are we getting for number 3?
Number 3 is 408.
4, 0, and the radius is 8. Yeah. Let me see. Well done.
Need number 4?
Okay, go ahead.
-3, comma -8 equal 8.
Your answer.
Mm,
We sure. Okay, let's see. Maybe you mix up the signs somewhere. It's very easy to mix up the signs.
yeah.
It's 9, Abdurrahman. Okay, let's see. Well done. And maybe you got 9 and you wrote that. Who is talking there? Trust you. Trust you. Oh, goodness me. You guys are finished. So guys, I hope you can all solve these problems. I hope you can. I mean, you know how we mark. We usually give you the marks. I will not mark you like if it's a 5 marks question. I will not look at it and just give you 0/5 because you got the answer wrong. No, I will look at all the steps you followed and all the energy you put into the work before I start to give you your marks, your final marks. So this, if you don't write anything in your answer sheet, it means you're not going to get no marks. At least you should think about the steps. I know that the completing the square, some people find it confusing. Make sure you know that formula, write it down. As soon as you get into the exam hall, write it down somewhere so that it will help you. Write it down, open it in front of you and keep it there so that when you get to that question, you can do it. All right. And don't make a mistake on your plus and minus because that's what gets everybody out in these problems. It gets even me out. So if it gets me out, it can get you out as well.
Teacher?
Yes.
Can you do number 4?
Okay. Let's see. Right. So we have x squared plus 6x plus y squared plus 16y is equal to 8. Let's take that one away now from the start. So then we want to put this one in the form.
Yeah, x plus 3.
X plus 3 squared minus
Y is minus.
Minus 6/2. It's minus in the formula.
Minus, okay.
Minus 9, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Have you found your mistake?
No, because, okay, 6 over -2. 6 over -2, it's going to be -3.
Where did you get the -2 from? In the formula, it's 2, not -2.
Okay, I found my mistake.
All right, that's fine. Anybody else want me to explain any other thing to them? Let me make sure everybody understands. Hamad, you understand? Khaled Bauji, The people that keep quiet in class, the silent listeners to all the conversations. The silent listeners, are you people following? Mhm. Okay.
Teacher, can you explain the number one?
Number one. So you didn't even follow number one. That means it will take us 2 weeks to get to number 4 then. Okay, let me do number 1 again for you so that you see it, all right?
Okay.
Now follow me step by step. Make sure that you have this formula in your book written down. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to collect the x terms. Okay, so you do x squared minus 4x, yeah? Then you collect the y terms, plus y squared minus 10y. And let's take that 25 to the other side so that we don't get confused. Minus 25, yeah?
So x with x and y with y.
Yes.
Okay.
Then now you want to use this formula. You split it into 2 parts, split the x part and the y part, and use this, apply this, completing the square formula to them. Yeah. So then you would have, for the x part, you will have x plus negative 4 over 2 is negative 4, yeah? Remember, all squared minus negative 4 over 2 squared, okay? And if I simplify that, that would be x minus negative 4 over 2 is 2. X minus 2 squared, yeah? Minus negative 4 over 2 is negative 2 squared is negative 2 squared is 4 minus 4, okay? So we have here x squared, x minus 2 squared minus 4. Then we come into the y parts. We have y squared minus 10y. Okay, we want to use this formula on it. So then we'll have y plus negative 10 over 2 squared minus negative 10 over 2 squared. Okay, so then you would have y minus 5 squared minus negative 10 over 2 is negative 5 squared is 25 minus 25. Okay, so we write that here, plus y minus 5 squared minus 25. Yeah. Which last part? Which last part?
The ones with the brackets must like x plus minus 4.
This one?
Or, yeah.
This is the formula we are using, this formula here. Yeah, are you seeing the formula?
Yeah.
And we are looking at this place, x squared minus 4x, yeah?
Yeah.
This formula is for x squared minus bx, and b here is 4, okay? So x plus b over 2. b is negative 4, yeah? Negative 4 over 2 squared minus b over 2, negative 4 over 2 squared. Yeah?
Yeah.
Is equal to negative 25. Hamad, are you still following?
Yes.
Okay, so now you collect all the x squared terms and take all the number terms to the other side, yeah? So, all the square terms, yeah. So we have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to minus 25. If you take this one to the other side, it becomes plus 25 minus 4. Okay, these two will cancel. These two will cancel and we have 4 left. Okay, so then your answer would be plus 2 plus 5 and the square root of 4, which is 2. Yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Let's see if there's anything else on slide 9. Oh, that's interesting. That's a different thing. Let's see. So it says a circle with center C has equation x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Find the center and the radius. We can all do this one. Find A and B, the coordinates where the circle cuts the x-axis. Find the area of the triangle ABC. Oh, wow, that's another part. We'll just follow it, okay? We won't try to do it. Oh, okay. Let's see. The center of the circle and the radius of the circle, let's see. Collect the x and the y terms, which is what we've been doing. Yeah. So when you got the center of the circle is x is 3, y is 2, so maybe it's there, and the radius is the square root of 8. Yeah, draw a sketch to locate A and B. Let's see. So let me see. Square root of 8. What's the square root of? The square root of 4 is, so square root of 9 is 3. So square root of 8 should be 2 point something. So so let's say this is going to be yeah, you make a little sketch. Yeah, so it says A and B are the points where it cuts the x-axis. So that's what they're trying to draw there. But do you know how I made that sketch that I just made now? Do you know how I made that sketch? So everything we've been talking about is the center and the radius. So when you have your center and the radius, you can always make a little sketch of that circle. Yeah. You can always make a sketch of that circle. So, and I said earlier that maybe if the center is x is 3 and y is 2, yeah, then maybe you have the center there. Then you want to make a circle. Yeah, you know that the radius is the square root of 8. So it's going to be less than the square root of 9. It's going to be a little bit more than 2. Not perfect because that's not my book. Yeah, but it's just a little sketch. Put y equals to 0 into the equation. Yeah. X squared minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Factorize. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 2. Ah, see? B is at 1, 0 and B is at 5, 0. 1, 0. A and B is at, they made a mistake there. A is at 1,0 and B is at 5,0. Okay, that's good. I'm not going to make you guys do this, okay? Don't worry. You won't do it. Your lesson is finishing in 9 minutes. I'm not going to teach you anything new. All right, guys.
So we can go now?
I know how excited you are. With a smile on your face. So we can go now. You can go now. Oh, gosh.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
And you. You can only stay back if you want to have a conversation. You have to discuss important stuff, not nonsense, not silliness with me. Not
Bye, Mary.
nonsense. How are you?
Bye.
Bye. Guys that are writing your exams tomorrow, make sure that you are there tomorrow, okay? 9 a.m. tomorrow. Don't fail. Be there for your exams. It's foundation maths. You're coming to me on Zoom, and then from Zoom you will do the exams on Moodle. All right. And make sure you look at the revision, the revision activity I put on Moodle for you. I hope you found it, and I hope you are working on it and preparing for the exams. Yeah. Those of you who are doing it, where is it? It's a foundation maths engineering. Let me look for it. Oh, it hasn't been archived yet. Foundation maths. Yep, there we are. It's on this one. Hang on a minute, guys. Let me show you. Share screen. This one. So this is where you should be. Okay. April receipts. Look at what you need to revise here tonight. Make sure you can do all those problems that are there. All the problems that are on this revision list here. Okay. Let me see. Why is it telling me to preview it? I hope it's open for you guys. Yeah, so make sure you can do all those problems. You can factorize, you can solve all the problems on that, on the question set, all of them. They are mixed up. So question 1 for this person may not be question 1 for the next person, but it's the same question. So if you can answer them, you can answer all the same questions, okay? Let me make sure that you can see that thing. I don't want you guys to tell me. Edit settings, timing. Yeah, so you can see it. It's open. Okay. Okay, guys.